Hello, and today I'm at Kirby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I'm pleased to be showing you this 2010 on a 60 plate Ford Transit, and this is an ex-BT box van. This has a 2.4 litre Durator turbo diesel engine and the 5-speed manual. This has come from BT, which of course is British Telecoms, and these are fantastic utility vehicles, but are becoming more and more rare. You used to see thousands of these in this country, but now they really do stand out. I'll start by climbing in and showing you that very famous Transit interior. That diesel fires straight into life, and it really is a great interior. You've got loads of practical storage, including those cup holders, a nice little tray down there, and then a top and usual glove box. Deep cup holders there on the side that are good for large bottles, as well as even more cup holders up there. Clever pockets for coins, and there's not much they haven't thought about, as you'd expect with one of the world's most popular vans. It's got 3 seats, and these really are just nice and simple to drive. Visibility is good with the large wind mirrors, and it's just as you'd expect. Those 2.4s are great engines as well. I'll come around to the rear of the box and open up that rear door. The space is a great size, and what's quite rare about this vehicle, and indeed we've never had this before, is that once purchased it came with a lot of the stuff remaining inside. So as it was on the roads, pretty cool. Like I said, we've not had that before, and it was just something that made this particular model stand out. As I mentioned, these really are a great size vehicle, hence their popularity until very recently. This really is a working hero. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.